Go ahead.
Yeah, but they're just.
Call?
Now you can see what those things right there are getting on.
You want to see what the banshees look like in there?
Yes, please.
Stick your banshee in.
The birds sit on your shoulder. That's pretty cool.
Y se puede llevar como una carnita Oh, qué bonito. Qué precioso.
It's where you'll say a pledge, and then when you'll see Baco at the end, and you'll turn your beans right to the chocolate.
Thank you.
So we have 4 different colors. We have our green, our purple, our red, and our blue. They all do the same things. They also all have these white little dots on them. It's gonna look like that. They glow under black light, so they don't glow in the dark, but under black light.
Okay.
So they do all the same things that our other banshees used to do. They flap their wings. Oh, you want to be annoying. Stop. There we go. They flap their wings. They turn their head. Oh, stop. Somebody's messing with you. And then they open their mouth, just like that. They also respond to if you pet them on their backs or on their stomachs like this. And if somebody has a little wrist banshee, they also respond to those, which is what you just saw a minute ago when I was like, stop. Somebody was probably playing with a wrist banshee, so they do respond to those as well.
Which color?
I personally like the purple.
And they do sit on your shoulders. It's that curve right there. They come with a magnet. It's a very strong magnet. Very loud.
Do they have like a special characteristics, story, or the different colors? I mean.
Yeah, so each color has its own special name, but when you adopt a banshee, you can definitely change its name, and it's A-okay. So, our green banshee here, its name is Aqua. Purple's name is Thistle. This guy here, or my guy here, is also Flame. And then our blue is Sky.
Thistle it is. Okay, yes.
All right. I did for you. He's tucked away. There we go. That's gonna be your thistle right there. Perfect. Okay. So to do this, can you raise your left hand for me? All right. So we raise our left hands in honor of Navi because all Navi are left-handed.
Ah,
Okay. We also like to tuck in our thumbs because all Navi have 4 fingers.
that's true.
All right. So you're just gonna repeat after me. By carrying my banshee,
By carrying my banshee,
I promise
I promise
to protect
to protect
and respect
and respect
the natural world
the natural world
here on Pandora
here on Pandora
and back home
and back home
on Earth.
on Earth.
Perfect. Okay, and to seal this ceremony, we are going to yell Si Bako. Do we know what that word means?
Rise to I think I do. Rise to the challenge.
It is.
Okay,
It is
perfect.
Rise to the Challenge. We like to say this to everybody adopting a banshee because banshees are very difficult creatures to take care of. So, on the count of 3, you and the rest of our family here can yell Si Bako. Okay? On the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Si Bako! Congratulations.
Perfect, thank you.
Of course.